everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a very traditional Moroccan tagine, a chicken tagine with baby okra and a kind of squash called opo squash or gourd squash. You will find it mostly like here in America and the Indian stores, maybe some Arab stores, but it's seasonal and it's so delicious. For the method, you take a tagine. If you have a clay tagine, you use it. If not, you use your regular pot. I add some olive oil and chopped one white onion or yellow onion, whatever you have and you prefer. And leave it cook for a little bit. I cover it. This time, this is the opo squash or gourd squash. I clean it, I peel it from the outside like the potatoes, and I took the heart of it, the white piece, and I cut it into pieces like that. That's how you have to peel it and take the inside, the white part is only watery, and cut it into small pieces like that, however, whatever size you like. Now I'm adding my chicken that I cleaned before. I have here a small cut up a chicken, depend on the number of members of your family. I season it with some salt to taste, black pepper, the basic seasoning for the Moroccan tagine, salt, pepper, ginger, ground ginger. This is a homemade ground ginger, and turmeric, not a color on the turmeric. That's the basic seasoning for the Moroccan tagine. Well, if you want it a little spicy, you add some chili powder, cayenne pepper, sriracha sauce, a long green pepper, anything to make it spicy. I keep flipping the chicken until it gets coated with all the spices and gets some color from both sides. Before that, I add the vegetables. Here I forgot the garlic. If you have fresh garlic, you add some fresh garlic, crushed fresh garlic. If not, you add the one that is frozen, or garlic powder is very important too. Now I covered a few minutes. Then now, when the chicken got coated with all the seasoning, I added chopped tomatoes. I have here a big tomatoes. If it's small, you can add 2 or 3 small tomatoes on the top of the chicken like that. That will thicken the gravy and give it a very good flavor. I cover a few minutes till the tomatoes get soft. Then I add here the vegetables. For the squash, I add the same seasoning to the squash. Salt, pepper, a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of ginger. Like that, the vegetables have the same taste of the chicken. Because for this tagine, we don't add that much, water. It's not like when we cook a regular pot. If you cook in that on regular pot, you have to add more water than for the tagine, but not too much. Usually the squash and okra, usually they release their own liquid. I put here the okra on top of the chicken and the squash. This is a baby okra. It's very soft and don't take long time to get cooked. I add only a little bit of salt for the okra on top, and a little bit of olive oil, like that. Yeah, you can use a very good quality of olive oil. I cover it. You can, this for me, I didn't add the liquid, but if you see that is dry, you can add a little bit of water in the side. You cover it and leave it cook in very low heat until the okra, the vegetable, the chicken, everything is well done. You see, it looks really good, and believe me, the taste was so good. It was delicious and nutritious. Thank you for watching. Hope you try this recipe and like it. If you try it, you will like it. Let me know in the comments how did you like it, and see you next time in a new video and new recipe. Enjoy!